Dear friends, now I am going to explain advance payment of tax and installment of advance tax and due dates. As we know, advance payment of tax is based on the concept of pay as you earn scheme. Then what is the meaning of pay as you earn scheme? It means the assessee has to pay tax simultaneously along with the earning of his income. It means as soon as the assessee earning the income, then he is liable to pay tax to the government. This tax is paid on the current year's income in the same year. For example, if any assessee earns income in the current year 2019 and 20, then he is liable to pay the tax in the same year, that is 2019 and 20. In fact, it is paid as an advance and it is called advance payment of tax. As per section 207 of Income Tax Act 1961, liability for payment of advance tax. Who is liable for the payment of advance payment of tax? An individual resident in India shall not be liable to pay advance tax if he fulfills two conditions. The first one is he or she does not have any income chargeable under the head profits or business or profession. That means if an assessee having the income from business or profession, then he is compulsorily liable to pay advance tax. The second condition is he or she is of the age of 60 years or more at any time during the previous year. That means if the assessee is below the age of 60 years, then he is liable to pay advance payment of tax. In case if the assessee is more than 60 years, then he is not liable to payment of advance tax. The next topic is conditions of liability to pay advance tax under section 208. Advance tax shall be payable during the financial year in every case where the amount of such a tax payable by the assessee during that year as computed in accordance with the provisions of advance tax is rupees 10,000 or more. It means if any assessee in any current year or financial year, if he earned income, on that income the tax liability is rupees 10,000 or more, then he is liable to pay advance tax. In case if the assessee's tax liability is less than 10,000, then he is not liable to pay advance tax. The next topic is installment of advance tax and due dates. Advance tax on the current income shall be payable by the assessee except eligible business or profession according to section 211. Due date and installments are amount payable. The first installment is on or before 15th June. The assessee has to pay not less than 15% of advance tax. The second installment is on or before 15th September. Not less than 45% of advance tax. It means 45% of advance tax less amount paid in earlier installment, that is 30%. 45% minus 15 is equal to 30%. The assessee must liable to pay 30% of tax in the second installment. The third installment is on or before 15 September. The assessee is liable to pay advance tax not less than 75% of advance tax. It means 75% of advance tax less amount paid in earlier installments, that is 75 minus 15 minus 30 is equal to 30%. The last installment is on or before 15th March. 100% of advance tax reduced by the amounts paid in earlier installments, that is 25%. 100 minus 15 minus 30 is equal to 25%. This is about the installment of advance tax and due dates. Thank you. I hope you are understood.